Hello everyone, let's continue learning. Welcome to next learning session. The tutorial is on rectangles. We saw lines, polylines, circles, and we are going to rectangles now. In this tutorial we will see how we can use a rectangle to draw multiple lines easily. If you see this drawing, how we can draw this line using line is, first we will go here, we will type 25 and we will go one side and again, sorry it was 60, delete, we will go to a line 60 and then we will go 25 and then we will go up by 60 and then we will close it like this. So we are drawing 4 lines. Instead of this, we can use rectangle as a help in this. We can click here and see we are going downside, which means we are going to fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So how far we are going in x direction? If you see in this we are going x direction. If you see in this, we are going x direction as, for example, delete, delete, and delete. See, click here, we are going in the x direction 25 and in the y direction we are going 60. So we are going in fourth quadrant, means x will be positive 25, comma, minus 60. You enter. So from this point we came to this point. Again from here we are going up. We are using the same rectangle again. From here we can click here to go up. How far we can go? We can go in x direction we are going 15 and in y direction we are going 60, and from this point we are going in first quadrant, means both of them are positive 15, 60. Enter. Next, the same rectangle. From this quadrant again we are going in fourth quadrant. So x is again positive, y is negative 40, minus 60. Enter. Next, one last rectangle we left with. From here again we will go to that point by going 25 in x direction, 60 in y direction. This completes this simple drawing. This is the advantage of using rectangles. So what we can learn from rectangle is, we can draw all 4 lines together whenever there is a closed loop. See, all 4 lines, it will be treated as single entity if you draw from rectangle. The same thing, if you draw from lines, it will be treated as separate entity. This is one difference. And also, if you draw a rectangle here, for example 100, 100, enter, okay, then the same thing if you draw another one line from here, 100, go 100 up, go 100 side, go 100 down. If you want to select one element, it will be treated as single element. But if you see, it will be treated as single element for all 4 lines. So how we can click on this to explode this, or else we can click on this and type J for join, enter to join all of them. See here. So this is the difference between polyline, line. A rectangle is a polyline having 4 sides, 4 lines. So this is for rectangle. If you have any doubt in this, again if you see in that rectangle we have different thickness and all, we have width also. We will explore all of these in the advanced sessions. For now in basics, you just have to know how we can use rectangle. So one point we need to know, fixed point. From there either we can go in this direction, we can come in this direction, like this, okay. So this is how we can draw rectangle. Hope you understood how to use rectangle. That's it for this tutorial. We will connect in the next tutorial where we have polygons in the rectangle. We will see that. Till then, stay tuned, keep practicing. Soon I will release the next tutorial. Subscribe for more learning. Thank you.